Today I decided that I was going to do a makeup tutorial, so this is basically my everyday makeup, and if you're interested, keep on watching. So for foundation today, I'm gonna be taking one of my favorites at the moment. It's a MAC foundation, and actually I love how full coverage it is. I'm gonna take just a little bit of it and put it on my face. Then I'm gonna be taking this brush and apply it on my face this way. For concealer, I'm gonna be using the Essence concealer, and I'm also obsessed with this stuff. I'm concealing my bags and some essentials on my face. So I'm just gonna take this sponge and blend it in. Then I'm gonna be using the Atelier powder. I don't know how to pronounce it, but hopefully you got me. So I'm gonna use this brush to apply this underneath my eyes to set my concealer in place. The next part is my eyebrows. For them, I'm gonna be using the Max Factor pencil. First thing I do is I draw a line underneath my eyebrow to sketch out the bottom part. Then I'm taking this eyebrow kit from L'Oreal, and now I'm creating the basic shape with it. Now I'm taking this brush and my foundation to create the line like this under my eyebrows. And now I'm creating the same line but over them. So now I'm gonna take this gel mascara from Essence, and I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows like this. For eyes, I'm using the Urban Decay palette. I'm taking the Chaser shade and I'm just using it like a transition shade.
Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down.
The next shade I'm gonna go with is Soast.
For a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.
So next is eyeliner, and I think I'm gonna do a wing eyeliner. To be honest, this work gets intense, so this is how I do my wings, with drive, focus and determination.
Let it go. No, 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 no.
So I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I don't know how to pronounce, but anyway, you got me. Okay, next I'm gonna bronze. I just put all a bit on my cheekbones this way, so yeah. This part is my favorite. I'm gonna take a highlighter, the best part. And first I'm gonna start with my cheekbones. Then the bridge of the nose, just a little bit. And also just a little bit under my eyebrows. Then I'm gonna go in a corner of my eyes. And as I said, just a little bit. As for lips, I'm gonna go with this lovely pencil, and I'm just gonna line my lips first and then just pop that all over. Then I'm taking the Vivienne Sabot lipstick, and this is just a really pretty, like, soft nude color. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. I'm not a beauty guru, I don't claim to be, but if you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from it, make sure you leave a thumbs up and comment down below wherever you want. Also, subscribe to my channel. I love you. See you.